Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get free Twitter likes and views. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first we had 0 likes and only 2 views on our tweet, now copy your link and go to any web browser of your choice. Tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword global followers. Now scroll down and select the read more below the post. You can get likes by pasting your link here, but let me get the views instead. If you noticed, we now have 204 views on our tweet. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.